Have you ever wanted to learn how to use Excel 2019?
No.
No?
No!
Well then, watch this video anyway. And if you were looking to learn Excel 2019, congratulations, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name's Robert Shane, and I'm starting a brand new episode on teaching y'all how to use Excel 2019. When I was in college, I got my Excel certifications after only 8 days worth of studying. Yes, that's days, not weeks. And hopefully by the end of this series, you'll be able to do the same thing. It's not that hard. It's just going to take a lot of work. I feel like this series wouldn't be complete unless I told y'all how to get the program from the start. This is what this video is covering. So with that said, let's to begin, you got to ask yourself, are you a student or are you not a student? Because if you're a student, you're in one category and some rules apply to you. And if you're not a student, you're in another category and different rules apply to you. Basically, students get it for free. Non-students have to pay for it. But even if you're not a student, you can still get it free for 1 month. Just follow the links that I'm showing you and you'll be on your way. If you're not a student, you can skip this next section I'm about to talk about because that's just for students. Just click the timestamp in the... All right, students, head on over to www.microsoft.com and in the very top left, click Office. But Rob, you said you were going to show us how to use Excel, not Office. I know what I said, okay? I know what I said. You got to get Excel in order to get Office, okay? Excel is one small piece of the Office pie, okay? So just okay, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Office includes Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and some other stuff that you're probably never going to use, like Access. Maybe use Access. I don't know. You should be at this screen. Scroll down a little bit and click on Education right here. Once you're here, all you got to do is put in your student email address, click Get Started, and then just follow the on-screen prompts. This is all I can teach you actually because I've already used my student email address, and if I were to put in my email address, it wouldn't let me go through all the steps, but it's not that hard. That's all I can do for you. I'm sorry, guys. You got this, all right? You got this. All right, this next section, this is my favorite section because this is for you non-student folks, okay? Just as regular people with hardworking jobs that want to learn how to use Excel. What you guys need to do is go to www.microsoft.com, click this link, then this link, and boom, you're there, son. Even if you're planning on paying, you're still going to want to do it 1 month for free. That's if you're getting the Office 365 Home Edition. You can't get the free month on any other edition. Now you might be asking yourself, Rob, there's 3 choices here. Which one do I pick? Well, you've come to the right video, son, because I'm about to explain it to you, okay? Which one you should get really depends on you. So if you have a small family, the home version would be your best bet. That's going to include all your apps, OneDrive and Skype. It's going to let you use it on up to 6 computers at once. So, your cousin Tim could be on his iPhone using it. Your aunt, whoever, could be on their PC using it. Somebody could be on their tablet. Somebody could be on their, I don't know, PDA. What do people even use these days? All right, the Office version, that's going to run you $99.99 per year. All right, some of the apps include Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Some are only for PC users, such as Publisher and Access. If you want everything that Microsoft has to offer, but you're just one person, you're not a big family, just you, then the best thing would be to get the personal edition. This is going to run you $69.99 a year, giggity. But you don't get the 1 month free, so you're this gives you all the apps while being cheaper than the Home Edition, but you can only use it for one person. And then lastly, there's the Home and Student 2019 edition. This to me is the weirdest edition because I don't really understand it, to be honest. I would not buy this one unless if somebody in the comments could tell me why this makes sense, I would appreciate it. But as a regular person, I just don't get it. For $149.99, you're getting only Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You don't get 1 month free. And you don't get OneDrive, you don't get Skype, but the $149.99 is a one-time payment. But I mean, it's so limited. If you use your student email address, you would get all these products for free indefinitely as long as you keep your student email address. But you get to own it outright. There's no monthly or annual subscription. It's just $149.99. Like I said, I don't really understand why this edition exists. If you know any better, drop me a comment. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks you so much for watching. If you're interested in learning about Excel, I cannot stress this enough. Please, please, please subscribe and like this video. It helps me out a lot. And if you could do me a solid and also hit that notification bell. I know it's a lot to ask, but I really appreciate it. Thanks again, and until next time.